Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial 3D printing with the TriLab AzteQ Industrial. Let's see if this beast lives up to its hype. The AzteQ Industrial is a marvel to behold. With its towering frame and delta design, it's not your average desktop printer. But does its appearance translate to performance? Let's talk features. The AzteQ boasts a massive build area, dwarfing most other printers on the market. With its heated chamber, it can handle a wide range of materials, from PLA to high-temperature resistant ABS and beyond. But it's not just about size. The AzteQ comes packed with innovative features like swappable magnetic printheads for easy material transitions, wireless connectivity for remote monitoring, and a user-friendly interface operated via an integrated smartphone. Now, onto performance. After 4 months of testing, I can confidently say that the AzteQ delivers on its promises. Prints are produced with impressive accuracy and reliability, even at high speeds. And thanks to its heated chamber, print quality remains consistent from start to finish. So, what's the final verdict? The TriLab AzteQ Industrial may come with a hefty price tag. But for businesses and industries in need of large-scale, reliable 3D printing, it's worth every penny. With its blend of size, speed, and precision, the AzteQ is a game-changer in the world of industrial printing. That wraps up our review of the TriLab AzteQ Industrial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Stay tuned for more tech insights.